Makinig ka sa aming mga sinasabi, mga salitang mula sa aming mga labi. Tayo ng gibain pa din na naghihiwalay sa damdamin ng bawat isa sa amin sumabay. Sumunod, magbuklod, tumunog parang kulog, gumalaw, sumigaw, bumuo ng isang bilog na di kayang pag-iwa-hiwalayin ng anumang mga bagay na sa aming pagkakaisa'y hahadlang. Hindi nila kaya tayong itumba, kapit kamay sabay-sabay sa pagtawid sa tulay. Di nyo kayang pigilan ang talong hindi mabilang kapag nagkasama-sama kami ay nagmimistulang. Halos sa tubig o putik na di pwedeng mapunit, sama-sama sa kung ano man nais namin iguhit. Ang aming palad na karatawit at sinisiwalat sa versikulo. Ito na aking isinong
spread the love like the torch race of flag. Ang pag-ibig ay liwanag, ang liwanag ay pag-ibig. Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Bawat puting ng buhangin na di nyo kayang bilangin na isa.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Ang pag-ibig ay ialay natin sa ating kapatid.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Magsama-samang isugod, hindi ng hawak ating itaguyod.
I'm calling on every human soul that is breathing. Friends and foes, those who still have dreams. Let's get together and make the fire bigger. Capitalizing the power and the strength we'll have in numbers set aside the pride that makes us. Hate our very own brothers, see the other colors. To discriminate only limits us, so stop your pointing our fingers. We all make mistakes, we've been victims. Instead, let's fix this. Rebuild things where we had failed, cause it's not yet too late to bury the hatchet. Let's not be divided. Raise and wave a flag of fire where the blind can't see it. Spread the love and reach out to the people whom they have forgotten. Believe that we can make it, have faith. Join the battle of crusade against the system, and remember that the bigger the fire, the bigger the chance we can make a difference. This is urgent, time to start is now, not later. Open your eyes, awaken.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Ang pag-ibig ay liwanag, ang liwanag ay pag-ibig.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Bawat puting ng buhangin na di nyo kayang bilangin na isa.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Ang pag-ibig ay ialay natin sa ating kapatid.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Magsama-samang isugod, hindi ng hawak ating itaguyod.
United we stand, divided we fall. A nation of procrastinators and debaters negates us all. A proper oneness in times of undress. Mic check, looking for a mic to bless. As I address the people, created equal. You can't show the good without showing the evil. Rock the veil, guard the heart, holding captive. The most deceptive is so attractive. Jealousy and envy, soldiers of hatred, double-bladed, serrated edges. Broken vows and empty pledges, driven wedges that to separate views. The culture of hate is at the front page and in the news. Battered and bruised in an abusive society. Immediate check, this is a call for sobriety. Some try to be tough, some of us try to be saints. Some try to bluff their way out of the game. I came into this world with a purpose. The world deserves much more than scrap or surplus. Scratch the surface, dig deep inside the soul. Seek the truth and it shall be told. What you reap is what you sow. Listen to and it's still rock and roll. Grab a hold on the mic, grip tight and I spit. Positivity for the pit, hit me. I said hit me.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Ang pag-ibig ay liwanag, ang liwanag ay pag-ibig.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Bawat puting ng buhangin na di nyo kayang bilangin na isa.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Ang pag-ibig ay ialay natin sa ating kapatid.
Spread the love like the torch race of flag.
Magsama-samang isugod, hindi ng hawak ating itaguyod. Alam mo, di ko lang malaman kung bakit may mga tao kailangan mag-away, bakit di nalang magkapit kamay.
At magpakumbaba sa iba'y huwag mandura, piliting huwag mangutsa, wala ka namang mapapala. Mga sinasabi ko, mga sinasabi mo, pero kung magkakasabay ay talagang magulo. Bakit di mo pakinggan, ang iba ay pagbigyan? Kung lahat ay naririnig, ito'y maiintindihan.
Sama-sama sumigaw, isang boses tayong gumalaw sa init ay hindi maginaw. Kahit na ano mangyari sa atin ay wala nang bibitaw sa akin ay makinig kahit patagili. Huwag kang mahinga na sa ibig kumili, bago pa wakasan ang awit na aming inihatid. Kahit sa sinulit tayo magtumawid
ng katido, sumabog ang unang putok. Alam nyo namang marahil kung bakit nagkaganito ang